Hi, welcome to KIPP 4th Grade Distance Learning Day 25. Students will add or subtract fractions with unlike denominators. Today we're putting together day 23 and day 24. On day 23, you learn to add. On day 24, you learn to subtract, and now you just have to move back and forth. That's to help your brain kind of switch. Like, it might get really good at thinking one certain way for a whole worksheet or one certain way for a whole worksheet, but in real life, that's not how problems happen. We get new problems, different problems, back to back every day. So, first let me say we are so proud of you for working on your math away from school. You are amazing. And if you feel confused about this as I mix between, you definitely want to go back to the previous 2 days. So, I'm jumping straight to your worksheet. Excuse me, because your worksheet has 2 perfect exemplars of the 2 different types of work you can show. If you subtract, your work looks like this. If you need to add, your work looks like this, right? Now, this is really key because one thing I want you to notice is that the first 2 steps are the same for both problems. For both problems, we stack the numbers and then multiply, right? So here I multiplied the 1/10 to make it into hundredths. Here I multiplied the 9/10 to make it into hundredths. So that's going to be a step for every single problem, okay? Now here's the big difference. If it's subtraction, I have to ask myself, do I have enough? And if I don't have enough, I'm going to have to borrow. I'm going to have to scratch it out and make it smaller, right? So I have 10 and they want 28. I don't have to do that, obviously, if it's addition. If it's addition, I can just add it up, get my answer. The hard part actually comes at the end if my answer is too big. So these are the 2 steps that are for subtraction. Right there. We had to scratch it out. We had to rewrite the problem. And now we do our subtraction, get an answer. Over here, we just do the addition, but then we are going to have to use a number bond at the end. So this is one of the keys. With subtraction, first of all, just know you're going to have 3 columns with the subtraction on the side. In addition, you only need 2 columns with the addition on the side. In subtraction, you need a number bond at the top before you can do your math. In addition, you need a number bond at the end to get your final answer. But you can do the actual mathematics. It's just your answer looks kind of funny. So you're going to have to switch back and forth to make sure you keep these straight. Remember, you are a thinker, you are a hard worker, and you don't give up. We love you.